Okay, we got various knives, screwdrivers. The glasses are mine. Small brushes, wire brush, brass brush, plastic brush, magnetic bit, small Phillips screwdrivers. Okay. This is a tap set, various size taps. All of them are more likely American Standard, but there might be some metrics in there. Here's a set of jeweler screwdrivers, all these very small screwdrivers. Extra set of keys. No, actually these are the keys for the top box right here. And a set of razor blades and some wire. This is some drives, some socket drives, socket head drives. They all fit in this handle. And then here's some separate drives. Vaco is the brand. Here's another Vaco. This is a 3/16 socket head cap. We got a bunch of screwdrivers. We got large flat blade screwdrivers. We've got assortment of Phillips head screwdrivers. We've got a drive, a socket drive screwdriver handle, snap-on. This is a screw holder. Screw holder is this. You twist it and it'll hold your screw in place. Several flat blade screwdrivers, shorts, mediums, longs. This is a power drive screwdriver. You push and pull, and various size drills or different fittings will fit into this. This is a multi-bit screwdriver. All the bits are in here. Change them out. This is another screw holding screwdriver. Let me demonstrate it for you. This is the screw. This is the driver. You place it in here and you push it and it holds your screw. Well, it's not holding this one.
Don't worry.
Anyhow, it'll spread apart and it holds your screws. This is a set of drivers. And a driver bit holder. Craftsman driver bit holder. This wrench goes down in the wrench drawer. Several long Phillips screwdrivers. There's another assorted bit screwdriver for emergencies, for a bottle opener, and a offset screwdriver, reversible. Okay. We got a set of drawer or diagonals. We got some dikes, several different sizes. They're called side cutters or dikes. The sheet metal pliers, left and right. Sheet metal pliers. Sheet metal pliers. Electrical pliers for splicing and crimping. More dikes. Regular screwdrivers and some needle nose. This is a drive bit. Pliers. Okay, here's the lefts. They go up in this diagonal drawer. Left and right. More electrical wires, wire crimpers. This is an interesting tool. It's a pliers and a needle nose. And it's an interesting tool. The lineman's pliers. Small snips, wire or nail pullers, spring clip pliers, water pump pliers. Not sure what that is. Some more sheet metal snips. Regular pliers, some electrical pliers, some lineman pliers, needle nose, another water pump pliers, needle nose and side cutters, nail pullers, and spring clip pliers. The metric wrenches. Okay, this one I have to keep. But we've got size 26, 24, 19, 19, 17 with a socket head cap. This is a 14, another 14, 12, 10, 13, 13, box screwdriver, box wrench, 13. A set of drive bits. They're all metric. Got flats and screwdrivers with the handle. This is a multi socket set, American Standard and metric. See, here's your ratchet wrench, feeler gauge in there, and several sockets. Okay, so that's wrenches. Okay, here's the standard wrenches. Wrench set from 1/4 inch to 7/8.
Right.
There's 2 wrenches missing. They're probably laying in the bottom here. So okay, we have several wrenches, offset socket head, a bunch of offset socket head wrenches, crescent wrenches, 2 10-inch crescent wrenches, another set of wrenches, Williams. Not really know what to call these kind of wrenches, but they're open end and a box end with slight differentiation. And then we have several small wrenches from 3/8, 9/16, 1/2 inch, another box wrench, 3/8, another 5/8, 11/16, 5/8, 11/16, and some small wrenches in here. Snap-on 7/32, snap-on 7/32, snap-on 5/16, and of Craftsman's 9/16 and 5/8 box end wrench.